What's going on, guys? This is a 2018 Subaru Outback. I'm going to use it to point out to you how to change the headlight bulbs. So your first step is to pop the hood by pulling on that down there. In addition to showing you about the bulbs, I'm also going to show you how to check the fuses and the relays. So first things first, this is the low beam and the high beam is further in right there. You can easily see how to get to the bulbs. They're right here. You just simply grab it and twist out. That'll remove the bulb. As far as removing the connector, you just push on that tab there. And when you're changing one of these, you want to look inside the connector and see if it's corroded at all. This one is not. If yours is corroded, you might see like greenish or whitish powder in there. The bulb just comes straight out here. And as you can see, this is a 9005. When you change these bulbs, be sure not to touch the glass with your hands. This one, low beam, similar connector. You just push in on that tab there and it will come out. Grab this bulb and rotate it. And this is going to be an H11 for the low beam. So the high beam is a 9005. Low beam is an H11. And this side is pretty much the same way. You can pretty much get in right in here. No obstacles to speak of, and it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. As far as the fuses and relays go, there's the underhood fuse box here that you open by squeezing these two tabs on either side, and it pivots out. Now these relays, this is going to be the high beam relay, and that is the low beam relay. You can swap them and see if that makes an effect. Or if your horn works, then you know that the horn relay works and you can swap that in. As far as the fuses go, there's a handy fuse puller located right here, and there are spare fuses located on the back. And the fuses are going to be here. These two 10 amp fuses right next to each other, those are going to be for the high beam. This is for the right hand side and that's for the left hand side. This is the low beam, and again that's going to be the right hand side here and the left hand side there. So I hope this helps you guys, and let me know if you have any questions.